Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We're back with another video because it is time to say goodbye. Lola has the zoomies. I don't know why. Anyway, this is the car we're talking about right here. Yes, the wonderful E300 Diesel. We're going to get her prepared to say so long. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons?
It looks like snow.
I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was going to be perfect, right? Why can't I, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Here she is, and she is a looker. She is in really good shape. 240-something thousand miles on her. We have new glow plugs. That's a plus. I haven't really done much. I haven't even washed the car. Did I wash it? I don't know. I don't remember if I've washed this car or not. Okay, we're missing an L and we're missing an E. The E I could probably borrow from another car, hint, hint, over there, just to make her look a little better. I don't know where I'm going to find an L. I don't know. But tires are good. Body is good. We have one little issue kind of right here. A door gutter or something, and then right here there's a little ding and a little ding right there. Other than that, she's purty, except for those. Yep, the classic E-Class Mercedes clouded headlights. We're going to address this first. They're going to give the engine a quick little wipe down. We'll give the car a wash, a quick little detail, and then we're going to see how much we can get for her, because this car, I think, in today's market, should do pretty good. All right, we are prepared. We have a little soapy water. We have some 1500 grit sandpaper. I could take this to Walmart. I could, but then it would take me 2 hours because they're booked. And it's only $20, which is great, but I don't want to spend 2 hours shopping for groceries that I don't really need. I'm just going to crank this out real quick. So we're going to give it a quick little spray here with the water. Okay, we're going to get these, we're going to buff it out with the sandpaper. Look at that. Look how bad that is. Woo! Then we're going to tack it with some turtle wax metal polish, which is my secret ingredient, and these are going to look like new, okay? Enjoy the music. Lola. Boop. Boop. Okay, let's get to work. Okay, record time. Look at the difference. Voila. That was literally 5 minutes of polishing. Look at the difference. Yeah. Holy moly. Yeah. This right here, woo, is the bomb. It is amazing on headlights, believe it or not. And plus, you can shine up your chrome if you want. See? Looks beautiful. Okay, so we're going to do the other headlights. Then we're going to wash the car very quickly. Then we'll get to some detailing. And what do you think? I think it looks pretty doggone good. Look at that. Gorgeous. Huge difference. That took, 20 minutes? Yeah, $0 and 20 minutes of my time. She looks good. Okay, so we're going to vacuum her out, and then we're going to, we're going to clean her up first. Then we're going to vacuum her out. I don't know if it's going to rain or not. Yeah, my next door neighbor is getting their house painted. Different color than this one, but that's why it looks weird yellow. But thunderstorms could be coming, so we may have to wait on the exterior. But as far as the inside goes, yeah, we're just going to give us a quick little wipe down, a quick little vacuum up, and it's going to look brand new. All right, so it's time to give her a quick little wash. She looks beautiful right here, doesn't she? Yeah, she's a good-looking car. So, inside came out pretty well. Look at that. I hate when they have aftermarket floor mats in a Mercedes because they never look right. But I got what I got. So, anyway, look, the interior to me looks brand new. This is a 97, right? With 250,000 miles, 241 to be exact. And look how the interior has held up. Yeah, we got a loose pocket right back there. Not a big deal. If I have any elastic, then I will try to fix that. I don't know. Otherwise, this is gorgeous. This looks beautiful. Okay, I don't know if it's going to rain or not. We're going to give her a quick little wash off, take some pictures, shine the wheels, and she's going to be beautimous. That's as good as it gets, folks. That right there is as good as it gets. Yes, she's gorgeous. Had a little paint touch-up that I could do right there, depending on how much attention she gets. But the car looks fantastic. Okay, I used a little brake fluid, cleaned off some of the dirt. We still have to deal with this little issue right here. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. We'll see if there's an interest in this and this. I think it's going to be real popular. I think so. As popular as the Mustang, I don't know, but we're going to find out because this car runs and drives beautiful. Let me tell you, there is air in those tires. There is so much air. I'm going to let out a little bit so the ride softens up a little bit. But yeah, look at her. Look at that. Is this gorgeous? She looks beautiful. So what do you think? You like my little E300 diesel? Yeah, I think she's lovely. You got the smell of diesel in the air. She purrs like a kitten and she will go forever and ever and ever. And yep, she looks like new. No messages on the dash, no problems at all. And I am very happy. Paid very little for the car. I wanted to say, was it like $675? Something like that. Here's the price if I remember to add it when I edit the video. How much should I ask for it? Okay, 97 Mercedes E300 diesel, 241,861 miles. But listen, she's not nothing is shaking. This is the best little car, and I got to tell you, I really think it's because of the sticker right there. Yeah, Airline Pilot Association. Yeah, the guy took great care of this car. And it shows. It really, really shows. This could be the quickest. Do I let it go? Do I keep it? Now I kind of want it. I need to sell those cars because I got to get a transmission. Yeah, for the truck. For my truck. I don't know. Put your comments below. Do I keep it? Do I sell it? If I sell it, how much do I ask for it? It is just so nice. It is just so nice. But I value your opinion, so let me know, folks. Okay, we will see you in the next video. Have a great day and Happy New Year. I don't know when the video is coming out. Maybe it'll be 2003. Maybe it's still 2002. Make 2003 a good one. Hug those kids if you got them, folks. Bye-bye.